If you see elderly people walking briskly on the streets of Okinawa, even in their 90s, don't be surprised, because here you'll see many of them. Unlike many elderly people in the West, they don't use walkers. They comfortably squat down to tie their shoes. Their legs are still strong, as if they were in their 60s. So how does this happen? Do they go to expensive gyms, or do they use high-priced supplements? No, the secret lies hidden in their daily lives, in a few simple but regular Japanese habits. We've talked before about how balanced the Japanese diet is, especially how they incorporate collagen-rich foods into their daily lives. If you pay attention to the mornings of the elderly in Okinawa, you'll notice they almost all share a common habit. They start their day with a bowl of hot soup. And today, I'll tell you about this traditional Japanese soup that has been around for centuries. It's not just a meal, but actually a little secret to a long life. But first, a quick reminder. Please write in the comments below where you're watching me from. I'm curious to know what time it is there. I read your comments with great interest. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications to stay updated on new content. In Okinawa, home to the world's longest living people, seniors still climb stairs, tend their gardens, and cook their own meals. And this can't be explained by genetics alone. Their secret lies in the small but powerful habits of their daily lives. Today, I'll show you how to make that traditional Okinawan soup, easily using ingredients from your kitchen. It contains root vegetables, sea vegetables, and plenty of protein. Perfect support for strong legs and flexible joints. I first saw this recipe during my trip to Okinawa on a cold morning, in the hands of an 85-year-old woman. Her face wore a serene expression. As she sipped her warm soup, it seemed to warm not only her body, but also her soul. And at that moment, I thought, perhaps the secret to a long life lies in this small morning ritual. I needed to learn this secret. After finishing her soup, she got up as if nothing had happened and began sweeping the porch. Something inside me changed at that moment. Her light, natural movements, her energy blending into life. It warmed my heart. I want to be able to move so freely at this age too, I thought. In Okinawa, this was actually an ordinary morning. But every day I was there, I saw the same thing. People watering their gardens, riding bikes, elderly people walking on the beach. These small, seemingly simple daily movements were actually the secret to their strength. And I still had that soup in my mind. Not carbohydrate-heavy breakfasts like in the West, but they started their day with a warm, nourishing soup. Their legs were strong, their bodies balanced. Clearly, what they were doing was right. Let's take a closer look at this soup they drink every morning. What could be the reason for the weakness we feel in our legs after the age of 50? Most of us dismiss it by saying we're getting older. But no one tells us the real reason. Actually, our leg muscles are the largest and strongest muscle group in the body. When these muscles start to weaken, walking, balancing, and even climbing stairs becomes difficult. You start to feel constantly tired. But during my time living in Okinawa, I noticed that these complaints were decreasing. It was as if something was changing inside me. The sounds coming from my joints disappeared, and I started waking up more energetic in the mornings. Muscle loss can eventually leave us unable to walk without support. That's why I felt like I had regained my freedom. Long-distance walks, climbing stairs, and getting involved in life are no longer a fear for me. But you don't have to move to Okinawa to experience this. In the next section, I'll explain the ingredients in this soup and why each one is so important. So do you know about the Okinawa ritual? This power doesn't come from expensive gyms or strenuous exercise. It's entirely the result of a natural life cycle. Every morning with the sunrise, fresh air fills the room through the window. The aroma of hot soup, simmering early in the small kitchen, fills the house. In silence, slowly, over low heat. The soup cooks, never rushed. A little seaweed, a little tofu, root vegetables, a little ginger. I know it's not like the breakfasts we're used to. No hastily prepared toast, no strong coffee. But perhaps that's exactly why their mornings are more peaceful than ours. The most peaceful, most beautiful way to say good morning to your newly awakened body. This isn't just a soup you drink when you're sick. It's a healing ritual every morning. It helps reduce inflammation in the joints, strengthens the immune system, and supports cell renewal. I'm not talking about artificial foods that overstimulate our palates. This is a warm superfood that warms you up, aids digestion, and increases collagen production. When that bowl is finished, the warmth and energy spreading through your body, that's the most beautiful way to start the day. For the Japanese, eating is a quiet, calm, and grateful ritual. They don't rush, they chew gently, they don't overwork their stomachs, because they know that filling your stomach is not the same as nourishing it. And I learned this from that 85-year-old Japanese auntie sweeping her porch, a small bowl of soup, but it became a life lesson for me. They don't use dozens of medicines. They bring nature's healing power to their tables. Perhaps they are lucky to carry on this wisdom from their ancestors. But now you know too, you can incorporate it into your life with small steps. All you need is a pot, a few simple ingredients, and a little discipline. Now let's take a look at the ingredients of this soup and why each ingredient is so valuable. Our first and most important ingredient, the indispensable bone broth, or kambu dashi, as the Japanese call it. Substances such as collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline, which decrease in our bodies over time, are replenished thanks to bone broth. These substances are very important for joint and bone health and skin renewal. If you hear small cracks in your joints when you bend over or get up from a chair, your body may be reminding you that it needs collagen. Listen to your body and start consuming bone broth regularly. These ingredients not only appeal to your taste buds, but also provide your body with many nutrients it needs in a natural way. When you drink this warm soup on an empty stomach upon waking up, it gently warms your stomach and does not upset your intestines. You start your day without digestive problems. Third ingredient, protein source, pork or tofu. Thinly sliced pork or tofu, cooked in small portions, contains B vitamins and zinc, supports muscle repair, and meets your daily protein needs. When cooked over low heat for a long time, collagen is released. Those who don't want to eat meat can opt for tofu. This plant-based protein source is also rich in calcium and iron, and has been preferred in Japanese cuisine for centuries. Fourth ingredient, carrots and sweet potatoes. Root vegetables are essential in Japanese cuisine. They add flavor and contain valuable nutrients. Thanks to beta-carotene, they support muscle repair, and their potassium content reduces muscle cramps. They provide energy without rapidly raising your blood sugar. Fifth ingredient, shiitake mushrooms. They support your immune system, are delicious, and contain ergothioneine, an antioxidant amino acid. This increases endurance and strengthens your body against fatigue. Sixth ingredient, miso. Thanks to miso's probiotic effect, the soup becomes a superfood. It supports gut flora and increases iron, magnesium, and calcium absorption. Widely consumed in Okinawa, miso is not just a spice, it is a source of healing for the gut. As you can see, each ingredient adds value to our health. It's not just designed for taste, it's a superfood, thoughtfully crafted to meet every need of our body. 5. How does this soup provide benefits so quickly? And who does it benefit? If someone talks about a magical soup that strengthens your legs in a single day, most of us would think, is that even possible? Even the medications and supplements we've been using for years can't completely eliminate some pains. So, can a single soup be a miracle? Of course not. We're not talking about miracles here, but biology. Those who regularly consume this soup after the age of 60 begin to feel the benefits quickly. The most important reason for this is that the soup is a liquid food. This means that all the amino acids, minerals, and collagen building blocks are easily absorbed by the body and can be used quickly. The second reason is that it is consumed hot. It soothes your stomach at the right temperature and gives you a feeling of relaxation. The heat speeds up the digestive system and supports circulation. It is also very beneficial for the coldness felt in the hands and feet, especially in older age. Thanks to its balanced content, it supports sudden muscle cramps with electrolytes. Collagen supports your joint and bone health, giving your skin elasticity and softness. Moreover, thanks to its anti-inflammatory effect, it helps reduce morning swelling in your hands and ankles and stiffness in your joints. And you can get all this nutritional support with ingredients found in your home. Regular consumers, especially the elderly, report finding it easier to get up from a chair, feeling more comfortable climbing stairs, being able to stand for longer periods because you've finally listened to your body's silent cry and started providing it with the nutrients it needs naturally. This soup is an ideal support, especially for those over 50 who experience weakness in their legs, feel stiffness in their joints in the morning, or have been inactive recently. But a small warning: if you are allergic to miso, soy, or tofu, if you are sensitive to high sodium, if you have thyroid issues, adjust the amount of iodine you consume from seaweed. Consult your doctor before consuming. This soup, which contains many nutrients your body needs after the age of 50, offers a natural and delicious solution to support your legs and joints. Now I'll show you how to make the soup. If you have your pen and paper ready, let's get started. First, take a medium-sized pot. The ingredients are readily available at almost any grocery store. Simple Okinawan style. Morning soup. Ingredients: 4 cups water, 1 strip dried kombu or 2 teaspoons miso, 1 small daikon radish, thinly sliced, 1 carrot, sliced, 1 small sweet potato, diced, 1 to 2 ounces, thinly sliced pork, or 1 to 2 blocks tofu, 1 slice fresh ginger, optional, 2 dried shiitake mushrooms, pre-soaked, a pinch of sea salt, or low-sodium soy sauce. Preparation: add water to the pot. Add daikon, carrot, ginger, and shiitake mushrooms to the pot and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Add sweet potatoes and your chosen protein, tofu or pork, and cook until the vegetables are tender. If using miso, remove the pot from the heat and stir in the miso to dissolve it. Do not boil. Add a small amount of salt or soy sauce to taste, and that's it. Starting your day with this warm soup gently warms your stomach, doesn't upset your intestines, and gives you energy. Here's a small but effective morning ritual we can learn from Japan. This warm, Okinawan soup. It's not just good for your body, but also for your soul. It helps you start the day calm and energized. Remember, small steps create big changes. You can invest in your health with ingredients you have at home and a simple pot. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write in the comments which habits you will incorporate into your life. Stay with love and peace. I wish you healthy days